You know, I make the hair look good, but pandemic hair is still very much in full effect here. Do I need the hat? Should I roll the hat?
You know what? The hair's all right. We'll go with the hair. We'll roll with this. We'll roll with this. Welcome everybody to the Futurespace Collective, where we explore the world of products for imagination. What does that mean? Art, decor, lighting, and how to bring your space into the future. Now today we have another product that fits into the category of magnetic or levitating products. I did a whole playlist, a whole bunch of past products that have been floating or levitating. Here's another one for you today that continues on that specific series. Let's check it out. And here it is now. It is the Heng Balance Lamp. It is a very well-designed little light. You're supposed to connect these two balls. They are magnetic, and that's actually going to complete the circuit of the lamp and make it come on or illuminate. It's won a bunch of design awards, it seems, as well. All right, that's what we're looking at upon first open. I got it in the white, but I've seen that it also comes in black or red variations. Oh, okay, there we go. You guys are seeing it live right there. USB Type-C connector for power. There's the USB-C port on this side. So these two little balls are actually the switch of the light. You just kind of connect them to each other and it completes the circuit and the light will light up. Of course, when it's plugged in, it did not come with a power brick, so you have to get yourself a power brick. I have one waiting nearby to use, so I'm gonna plug in this light. The inside of the frame should light up. It kind of acts like a switch. The force of the magnets are actually completing the circuit. Just like so. It's a really neat effect. I thought it's a really cool lamp. I mean, look at it. It just looks super futuristic, super modern. I'm a big fan of the visual aesthetic. It has these warm LEDs to it, so that's a nice touch. It emits this really nice, kind of soft light in an interesting way. So I think it's a prime candidate for a backdrop or something like that, a desk lamp, a nice piece of decor. It's beautiful, it's modern, it's well designed, it looks cool. It is an absolute winner here, I think, at the Futurespace Collective. Kind of makes these interesting shadows on the table. See these two shadows? Just because of the way it's designed here. Ooh. Yup. Like two little moons. And it's cool when you just like, you know, you can make up your own game, but it's got quite a bit of tension. I don't know, I just like the way it looks. There's something oddly satisfying about a flat string, seeing it straight like magic, kind of. It's really, I don't know. It's the sort of thing that I enjoy. These sort of eclectic, weird lights that are conversation pieces and are aesthetically pleasing. That's about it. That's about it for today. This is the Futurespace Collective, where we explore the world of products for imagination. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the Heng Balance Lamp. Don't forget to smash that like button for the algorithm to help support the channel. And of course, if you believe in the idea and you want to see it evolve, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and the like button and the notification bell. Why don't you go ahead and follow my Instagram while you're at it and buy a hat or something, okay? No, let's not put that in. All right, that's all for today. See you in the next one.